Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making some Mexican snacks. Let's start with the first one, fresas con crema. The things that you would need is some strawberries, lechera, some almonds for more flavor, a can opener, a knife, and a spoon, a cutting board, and a traste. You will want to cut them in half, and then in half again, half, and half, and half. So I'm gonna throw the almonds, but you can do it in whatever order you want. Now we're gonna add the lechera. For the next snack is gonna be a mangonada. You need a blender, ice, chamoy, tahin, and of course mango. I separated the juice and I'm gonna throw the mango pieces. I'm gonna put a little bit of juice, some ice, tahin. So now we're gonna cut some pieces of. Okay, so for the next one you'll be needing some hot Cheetos, nacho cheese, some jalapenos, a bowl, and now you're going to want to warm up your nacho cheese. So you're going to want some Cheetos in the bowl. Okay, so I put a little bit of milk in the cheese for it cannot be thick. Now add some jalapenos. So now some cucumber with Valentina and tahin. You can peel it or just leave it like that. So now we're going to put some tahin. Now add add some Valentina. For the next one is gonna be some elotes con hot Cheetos. You'll need elotes, you'll be needing some crushed hot Cheetos, some mayonnaise, Valentina, and cheese. Now you can add some cheese. That's it for today's video. If you like the snacks I did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell if you can notify every single time I post a new video. Until next time, peace. No. Why didn't you tell me?